Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL Free II TWS True Wireless Earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for any reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working. So you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, if it doesn't fix the issue and you decide to get a new set of earbuds, you can go ahead and check the link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is just in case that you just, for whatever reason, you want to delete all the pairing history, delete all the settings off of it, so you can set these up basically like they're new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. We need to have a decent charge on the earbuds because we're going to do this without them on the charging case or anything like that, just loose like shown here. And we're just going to come in and we're going to tap the back buttons on the earbuds 3 times like this. 1, 2, and then on the third one we're going to hold. So it goes like this. Tap, 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 hold. And then hold on that third time for 2 seconds. And after that, the earbuds will reset to their factory default settings and you can go ahead and set them up like a new set of earbuds.